Got it. When you think you're done, just check your door 3 or 4 times. I'm liking that. Now, let's see what else we got here. Okay, see this bathroom door is driving me batty too. Watch this one. Look, and sometimes when you push it here, you gotta push hard. If you don't push hard all the way, maybe you think you got it clicked. See, I can't, there. I did it one time where it felt clicked and I couldn't block the door because I had to push it in like that. That's just too much effort. You shouldn't have to do that every single time you close the door. Okay? So a Raymond I will go. Okay, door number 2, let's do our stuff here. A ream away, a ream away, a ream away, a ream away. It's chattering, it's wanting to chatter, so I gotta hang on to it hard and just do a little bit at a time. Good. There we go. I guess I should keep the drill on kind of low, not high. This thing's cutting really good. I can feel it. Yeah, I don't want to go overboard, because if you do too much, then it's going to be sloppy. You know, as your door closes, I don't like how doors close when they chatter a little bit. Let's see, I think like this door here, I think this one was too much. See how when it closes, you've got that little business there. Okay, I think that was like that over here too. Let's just check this, see. Oh, okay, this one's good. There was another one. Where was it? I think it was this bedroom here. Nope, it wasn't that one. I guess it was that other one. It was chattering a little bit. This hallway's fine. Okay. So once it chatters, there's really no way to adjust these, because these don't have the little paddle on there. I've showed you how to adjust strike plates with the paddle before. So if you have a door that's sloppy, what you could do is take some little clear bumpers and maybe put one up here and one down at the bottom, or one here in the middle, wherever the slop is, and then maybe it won't chatter. You know, you can get those at the hardware store. So I'm going to set this down here. Let's close this door and see what happens. I don't think I've done it enough just yet, but we're going to try it anyways. It's getting slightly better, but I know I have to go some more. Okay. So, filing, I will go and just keep plugging at it here. See, this one, I really wanted one that had a smaller tip at the very end, because then I could get right down in the corners. But it's still working. That's pretty much all they had at the store. It was funny, some stores don't even have these bits, so you've got to look around to find them. Now, if you have a little triangular file, you could maybe get that in there, but that seems like it would be a lot of work. Plus, there's not much room in there for gappage. Look at that. Yeah, just a hair more, just a hair more. You know, that's pretty good though. See, it does have a little bit of slop. That's because this door is hitting at the bottom, right there. It's hitting at the bottom, and the top still has a gap up here because the door is either warped or the door frame or something. So as it's hitting the bottom, you have to push in to click it. And if you push harder on the door, you've got a little bit of a give, but you never really feel that because when you close the door, it's already having a tendency of the door pushing back out this way. Okay? So I have to make a decision. Do I want to leave it like that, or do I want to go a little bit further? And I think because there's some room back there, as you push in, you're going to click it. Okay? So I'm going to leave it right like that. Okay, so all I'm going to do, if you don't go back and file that, you know, is anybody going to come along here and brush their thumb on it? Probably not. Maybe a kid or something. But I always like to finish it off. Just going to go at an edge. Oh, nice. Okay. Do a once over here. Sweet. Now I've got a couple more doors to do, and you just keep doing it the same way. I'm not going to show you anymore because I think you got it now. See that? This bit right here did the trick. See? That's a nice bit right there. And like I say, there's different ones. There's a cone, there's one that's just straight, or one that's round like a ball. But I like to get something with the tip in case you need to get it right down in the corner, let's say, of a strike plate. Now in this case, because the latch doesn't necessarily fit all the way at the bottom. See, I can see where the latch is starting from this edge to right in here. So it's not even, it doesn't go down all the way. So I don't really have to do a point. And this one, it's kind of oblong right there. Some strike plates, you'll see it goes straight down. And you think, okay, just for looks, I might want to get it down. Or if your latch fits right at the very bottom of your strike plate, which sometimes it does, then you can't get into that corner very well with the type of bit I have unless it's got a little bit more of a point. Okay, but sometimes you just have to get what they have at the store and make do. All right, well, there you go. Nice. Now I've got all the Mexican tile floor pavers done in the whole house down here. And see, here they were out front too. And as an extra little thing, I did this for them. Now, did I really have to do this outside? No, I didn't really have to. Would they have ever noticed? Would they even have thought to tell me about this? Probably not. This took me a long time too because this was really super dirty. But I decided, hey, I've got the time and I'm going to do something special for them. Go out and go the extra mile for people sometimes. Give them something they weren't even expecting. They'll appreciate that from you.